Yes, that's right, folks. Joker79 with the Geek Zone Productions here with the awesome review, a custom Captain Amerca shield. Now, I made this about last year whenever Captain Amerca, the first Avenger, was out in theaters, and I made it because I walked down the toy aisle to check out the Captain Amerca merch. Nothing was the size of Cap's shield or could be held on the back. And the biggest one that they had could shoot discs. So I went home. There were these 2 satellite dishes in my yard. So I made this out of spray paint, acrylic, and this old backpack, and of course duct tape. That is a lot of duct tape, but trust me, it's worth it. Because not only do I get to hold it with a shield, but I get to hold it like Cap does, on the back. Yeah, now I can ride a motorbike with this thing on my back. Now I just need to learn how to ride a motorcycle. Also, secondary straps for holding like this. And yeah, this is my Captain Amerca shield. Watch out. Because it just might be the last time you see the red, the white, and the blue.